Okay, today I want to show a method for flattening your glass plate. Not leveling, flattening. First thing you have to do is unplug your printer and unhook all of your axes so that you don't get power surges when you're moving the deck around. Next, you want to take off your heat and hot end using the appropriate key. And tape your hot end out of the way. And put on your handy dandy dog gauge. I will put links to the dial gauge holder in the description below. Now we want to level each of the bed corners, or set them all to 0. Now this is done, you need to go over the entire bed, checking for high and low spots. Now that you have a high spot located, take out your diamond polishing pad . Spray the surface with some water and start to work it down. Wipe your surface occasionally from time to time to check your progress. I'm using a 200 grit to start off. I happen to work in marble production plant, so I have access to these. But you can get hones from Lee Valley Tools if you're not able to borrow them like I can. Getting a bit arduous. I'm going to shut down and come back when I've got more progress to show. Okay, we're back. That was an arduous task. That took about 6 hours. What I did was leveled everything to within plus or minus a thousandth of an inch, and then I took the whole sheet off and scuffed it over completely so that there was no shiny spots, because this was part 2 of what I wanted to do with the thing, was to see if it gave more bite if the glass was treated up. So now we just put it together. I've already run a test run with the untreated glass and a glue stick to show how much curl there is on a large print. And then I'm going to do a print with no glue stick on the treated glass and see how it comes out. Well, that looks to have turned out quite well. It's been sitting overnight. No corners have lifted. And everything is nice and flat. So, thoughts? Was it worth it? Yes, it worked well. I still believe that it'll work without the glue stick, now that I've finally dialed in my settings properly. Would I do it again? Yes, I would. I would do it a little bit differently though. I would definitely borrow the whole machine to polish. Rather than doing it by hand, because that was a task. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this and got some ideas. Have a good one.